Write the major products of the following reaction are: there is one cyanide compound. This cyanide compound is allowed to react with the peroxide followed by heating conditions, that is radical is generated. As a result of this radical, here radical intermediate is getting generated. That radical intermediate, as being it is unstable, it is indicated in the box as A. A is our radical intermediate. We can claim that A is our radical intermediate. This radical intermediate on reaction with, that is pent-1-ene, results into a new compound, that is B. You are asked to identify the compound A as well as compound B. If I go for the radical initiation, peroxide ion initiates the radical over here. Here if I write the possible radicals, this is primary, this will becomes tertiary, and this will becomes what? Secondary. So therefore those radical having chances to be getting generated or can be given by, like this, we can get radical over here, and another one radical in the place of A can be like this, that is triple bond N followed by radical. Whereas this radical is secondary radical and this radical is a tertiary radical. Radical nature is similar to that of the cation, so tertiary is found to be relatively more stable, hence this will become C. And moreover, this is cyanide. Cyanide is electron withdrawing group, that is minus Me group, as being it is minus Me in nature. Minus Me group is present, minus Me nature is present. It destabilizes the cation, it destabilizes the anion, hence the relatively stabilized as per the secondary primary nature of the carbon is concerned, and the connected associated electron nature of the groups present over here. Here tertiary carbocation is found to be relatively more stable, hence this is our radical intermediate is A. This radical intermediate is allowed to react with the 1-pentene system. In case of this 1-pentene system, this is 1-pentene system, there are two chances to form in the form of radicals at this place. Maybe it is primary and it is secondary. Whereas this stable radical wants to combine with the stable radical place present in the reactant material. Out of this primary and secondary is found to be more stable compared to primary. So therefore reaction takes place in such a way that this is having triple bond, and moreover here in this way they connect with one another, hence the final product expected as B can be, this is the compound, because this is the radical, this is the radical. The radical stabilized generated due to addition of peroxide followed by heating conditions. This radical makes the double bond system to be present in the form of combination of radicals. Further it is getting attacked by H plus and becomes saturated. So therefore here stabilized radicals combination occurs, thus it results into the final required product appears to be in the form of B is like this, B is like this.